to clear up a number of misconception, misperception, misapprehension, misconstrued ideas primarily neurotypical individuals have, or their perceptions of atypical individuals. When we say atypical, we refer to individuals who fall outside the spectrum of neurotypicals. That includes between emotions. So you're looking at,
you know, there's greens in there, as well as those beiges and the dark.
A 1 point perspective somewhere that has a 1 point perspective like a desert.
Subliminals in and of itself. You have subliminal, you have supraliminal, you have